everyone! Today I would like to show you how to solve chapter 1 past year question. So let's go through it. Given z1 is equals to 1 minus I and z2 is equals to 4 plus 2i. Express this equation in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. Hence, determine modulus equation. So, first we rewrite this question first. z1 square divide z1 minus z2. So we sub these two equations into this equation. So 1 minus I square divide 1 minus I minus 4 plus 2i. So we have to expand this first. 1 minus I, 1 minus I. And 1 minus negative 4 is equals to negative 3. Negative 1 minus 2i is equals to negative 3i. And we have to expand it. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 times negative I is equals to negative I. Negative I times 1 is equals to negative I. Negative I times negative I is equals to positive I squared. Divide negative 3 minus 3i. So 1 minus 2i plus I squared divide negative 3 minus 3i. So I squared is actually equals to negative 1. So I minus 2i plus negative 1 divide negative 3 minus 3i. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Negative 2i. Negative 3 minus 3i. So for your information, the I is cannot below the fraction. We have to write this equation in the form of a plus bi. So how to solve it? We have to use the conjugate. What is conjugate? We have to times negative 3 plus 3i. Negative 3 plus 3i. We have to change the sign of the imaginary part. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. So we have to just change the sign of the imaginary part. Then negative 2i times negative 3 is equals to 6i. Negative 2i times 3i is equals to negative 6i squared. Divide. This we can actually simplify it as a plus b, a minus b. It's actually equals to a squared minus b squared. So negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to 9. Negative 3i times 3i is equals to negative 9i squared. So 6i minus 6 I squared, we have to change it to negative 1. 9 minus 9, change it to negative 1. So 6i, negative 6 times negative 1 is equals to positive 6. 9, negative 9 times negative 1 is equals to positive 9. So 6i plus 6 divide 18. Then we have to separate it. 6 over 18 plus 6 over 18i. So simplify it. So you get 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3i. This is the answer. So we have to do the modulus of this equation. How to do? We know the formula is square root a square plus b square. So 6zi square divide z1 minus z2 modulus is equals to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3i modulus. So it's equals to 1 over 3 square plus 1 over 3 square. So we press the calculator. Square, we will get the answer square root 2 divide 3. This is the final answer of this question. Thank you very much.